if you want to enter the US side from the Canadian side using the footbridge, which costs you $1, you find the entrance where the Crown Plaza is, and then just right across the street from that. And this right here is the entrance to the bridge. I entered through the toll, which was $1, and now I'm on the bridge, and then you show your passport on the US side. So here's some nice views from the entrance to the Rainbow Bridge. There's the observation tower right there. And start walking across. Look at all that traffic. Probably like an hour's wait. It's probably could do it quicker just walking. Cheaper too. Because I know when you cross the bridge in Detroit to Windsor and back, it's $8. Very slow moving. Yeah, even with the Nexus Pass, you have to get bottlenecked in this line here, so it's going to take you a long time. Nexus Pass is a trusted traveler program. I have a Nexus Pass because I like to go boating in Windsor and the Detroit River is on international waters. View of the Crown Plaza. Yeah, I don't like those clouds. See some gray clouds. It seems to indicate it's going to rain pretty soon, though the Google Weather Service didn't say it wouldn't rain today, that it was going to rain tomorrow, so see what happens. I'm under the impression that it will rain at some time during my videotaping of this trip today. So yeah, one of the Maid of the Mist ships are coming back. Those are the people that are dressed in the blue ponchos. The red ponchos is the hornblower, which is the Canadian side. So it's just two ships moving back and forth. Both of them have their merits. And next to the Maid of the Mist is a tower. So at the bottom you can buy tickets for Maid of the Mist, and you can take the elevator to the top of that observation tower, and it's $1.25 US to do that. Got the Skylon Tower in the distance with the yellow bug elevator coming down. Now, if you want a falls view of those hotel spots, so you can get a view of the Horseshoe Falls, you have to book it at the hotel. If you use hotels or .com or bookings.com, they'll just give you rooms on the other side. So they reserved all the hotels with the view of the water for direct booking. So on their website or in person. But if I were you, I'd book at least 3 weeks in advance, because the prices fluctuate and they usually tend to go up. Like, I had already planned to come down here a month ago, and I was looking at bookings.com and hotels.com, and I found this hotel that was close to the Minolta Tower Hotel there, called the Ritz, and it was $70. And then 2 weeks before I decided to come down here, I decided I'm going to book this hotel, because I was still looking at different hotels and I was not too sure if this was the best one. And then when I went on the website, it was already $110. So from a month ago, it was 70, then it jumped to 110. And a lot of the other hotels also jumped up in price. So I'm pretty sure if you go to their direct website, you're going to be paying more the closer you are to your arrival date. So that's something you should consider if you're deciding to come down here. Like, book months in advance, because you're going to get a better rate. And like, the stuff there close to the river isn't cheap at all. Like, a friend of mine went to the Crown Plaza, got a small hotel room, and it was $400. So these ones, like Embassy Suites, they're going to be even more money. So you want to get the best deal you can get, and that's going to be by booking at least a month in advance. And it's good to book with a lot of time in between, so you can really plan out your trip, because there's a lot of fun and exciting activities you can see here. So you just don't want to come down here and wander aimlessly, because you're going to miss out on a lot of stuff. Like, they got a new tour attraction, I heard, which is a tunnel from the power plant on the Canadian side, and it goes 175 feet down and 220 feet through the tunnel to the back of the falls for an awesome view. $28. I mean, to experience that, I think it's worth it. And it's like a really old historical tunnel as well. It's been around for a long time. Well, it's definitely worth checking out. Plus, you have maybe 30 different things you can see, like worthwhile things you can see here. And if you look around, there's a lot of free stuff. Like, I saw the Niagara Military Museum, and it was free to go in and watch that tour. And there were also some other places you can see for free. Even the Niagara Falls Botanical Gardens, I think, is free. And just the views are great. And then you can spend some time at souvenir shops. You can shop around at different ones, because the price really varies between souvenir shops. I'm gonna release a video to show you the price differences. Like, Clifton Hills is gonna be a lot more than if you go further out. So now we're coming to the passport entrance. Concludes our trip. And if you liked it, please click like and subscribe.